We begin in Fayette County, where a man has been sentenced for a double murder. Take a look. Fayette County's prosecutor reports that this man, 62-year-old Carl Cox of Dempsey, received 2 consecutive life sentences today following his conviction on 2 counts of felony first-degree murder. The jury made recommendations of mercy on both counts, which means Cox could be paroled, but he must serve 30 years in prison before he's eligible. Cox fatally shot his own daughter, Rhonda Cox, and her husband, James Neal, on January 29th in 2022 while they were in bed at his home in Dempsey. Cox claimed Neal had shot his daughter, and so he fought Neal for the gun and ended up killing him, but further investigation proved that both victims were found in bed with no signs of a struggle present in the room. A daughter and former son-in-law of Cox provided information as well as evidence that supported allegations of Cox having an incestuous relationship with his daughter when she was a minor, supporting the motive behind the killings.